this short tutorial, you'll learn how to easily access your recently watched videos on YouTube. Whether you want to revisit a favorite clip or keep track of your viewing history, I've got you covered. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says your data in YouTube. So now what you want to do next is just scroll down a bit. And you'll see a section called YouTube Watch History. And under that, you'll be able to see all of your recently watched YouTube videos. You can rewatch any of these videos by tapping on their titles. If you want to delete a video from your watch history, just tap where it says Manage your YouTube Watch History. Then scroll down and tap on the little X icon next to that video. This is exactly how you can see your recently watched videos on YouTube. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.